ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ
ये मैं करने वाला था
वही 4 लाइनें I'll think of something else.
अबे audience के लिए।
अब ऑन द स्पॉट कुछ और सोचो अब आप।
प्यार दोस्ती है, अगर मैं उससे दोस्ती नहीं कर सकता तो उससे प्यार भी नहीं कर सकता।
इतना घटिया तरीके से
प्यार दोस्ती है।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे
तुझे याद ना मेरी
किसी से अब क्या कहना।
Oh God. So you clearly know what we are doing today. You already saw the title of this episode. We are recasting
कुछ
one of
कुछ
the
होता
most.
है
Thanks.
because it is what one of the most. It is nothing one of
One
the
of the
most.
It is
most
one of the most
iconic-
iconic,
iconic.
Iconic, celebrated,
trend setting.
popular,
Hmm.
world renowned movies.
वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड है कुछ कुछ होता है।
Of
हाँ,
course,
हाँ।
bro.
क्या
शाहरुख
बात?
खान का big part of his fandom comes from कुछ होता है being
Fair.
what it is.
It's so popular they used a part of the title song in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
And they use the dialogue also
Which one?
in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
I don't like you.
I don't
like
like jokes. I don't like you.
famous for symbolizing friend zoning.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
Abbas
Which-
believes that it does not exist.
Dude.
Referring
Yeah.
to 2 episodes ago.
2?
Please check
1?
that out.
This last episode.
Last episode.
अरे तो हम रिलीज बाद में करेंगे ना इसको।
Oh really?
हाँ, मैं रिलीज स्केड्यूल माइंड में रख के बोला हूँ।
Acha, okay. So whatever, a few episodes back, about 10 episodes back, Abbas is talking about how he doesn't believe in friend zoning.
Yeah.
And that brings us to very nicely to this episode which celebrates
Friend
friend zoning
Yes.
and heartbreak, and then getting over that heartbreak, and then finally falling in love with that same person who broke your heart and marrying that person.
Yeah.
True.
And also negating the fact कि हम एक बार जीते हैं एक बार मरते हैं, प्यार भी एक बार होता है और शादी भी
एक ही बार
होती है।
होती है. Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antariksh Thakkar, joined by
स्नेहिल अनेजा
and
Abbas moment.
Kirti
Sinha.
Sinha Takkar.
Yes, okay. You gotta say that.
Also-
I made her say that.
Yeah, I was like, sound a little forced.
I made sure.
this is also the first episode where we have 4 people on the
Four
panel.
people
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
panel, and
Like
so
first time, all 4 for the first time. On
Yeah.
Pop
Yes,
Conversation.
correct.
Nice.
yeah, Abhishek and Shashank are missing.
Oh,
To
they're
complete
there
the family.
behind the
वो
camera.
वो कैमरा हैंडल कर रहे हैं।
Yeah.
Oh, camera. Okay, hey guys.
अगर ऑडियो में कोई प्रॉब्लम आए तो उनको गाली देना, उनका मैं इंस्टाग्राम डाल दूंगा नीचे।
Yeah. Please, उनको ही गाली देना.
हमें मत बोलना
Normally comes
कमेंट्स
to
में
comes
कि
on me.
ऑडियो
Not
फक
this time. Okay, so welcome to recasting. कुछ होता है.
या
What do you think is, if you had to choose the number one reason why कुछ होता है still so iconic? What do you think that is? There are many reasons. I'm saying the number one reason according to you.
क्योंकि false hopes दिया है बहुत सारे आशिक
I
को,
absolutely
एक तरफा
agree.
आशिकों को false hopes include
It is
किए।
also one
कि
of
जिसने
those-
तुम्हें friend zone किया वो वापस आएगा, उसकी बीवी
शादी के
मरेगी।
बाद वापस आएगा.
उसकी बीवी मरेगी
बच्ची होएगी
और
उसके.
उसकी बच्ची तुम्हारे पास लेकर आएगी।
हाँ,
Yes.
करेक्ट. बच्ची ही चाहेगी कि आंटी.
आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज फिल्म्स जिसमें लड़की फ्रेंड जोन हुई है।
Yeah, correct. Dude, also just the throughout. So my mother has a problem with names. Okay.
Hmm.
ये so मेरा नाम अंतरिक्ष है, मेरे भाई का नाम अनिरुद्ध है, इसका नाम कीर्ति है, मेरी भाभी का नाम कस्तूरी है. ठीक है. तो मेरी मॉम को याद नहीं रहता, वो अंतरिक्ष कस्तूरी बोल देती है, एके. Okay. 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 अब एक ही घर में 2 अंजलि हों तो कैसा चलेगा भाई?
ऑल्सो ब्रो लाइक अभी मैं एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले यही बात कर रहे थे कि भाई कितना लाइफ लॉन्ग ट्रॉमा नहीं है बच्ची के लिए कि
Yeah.
मतलब जो उसको पता लगे कि भाई मतलब मेरा बाप की साइड चिक का नाम मेरा नाम है, मतलब और अब वो मेरी सौतेली माँ भी है, तो लाइक
But bro, that's also demented that Rani Mukherjee's character Tina is fine with naming her daughter after the ex-flame or
Yeah,
something.
dude.
क्योंकि उसका प्लान था ना, वो तो मर ही रही थी, पैदा होते ही she was dying ना, तो she was okay, that's why.
Oh, हाँ, she was
Are
already
they-
dying when giving birth. When did she
Yeah.
die?
She died just
Right after giving
Right
birth.
after giving
Yeah,
birth.
yeah.
oh
Oh, so she had been preparing the letters beforehand. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
correct, Okay, that's
why did she think कि 8 साल का बच्चा इतना मैच्योर होगा कि वो ये पूरी प्रेम कहानी
because
समझ जाएगा?
उसकी 32 साल का पति इतना मचा रहा I'm 32. I'm just saying. So
Also,
that-
I
that's
have
my
a
theory.
rant I have to say.
Oh, okay.
कि एक तो इस मूवी
Hey, we can't. Let's not bring up our problems here.
बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स इस मूवी में रूटेड है कि एक तो फॉल्स होप्स दिए कि तुमको जिसने फ्रेंड जोन किया है वो वापस आ जाएगा
Sure, yeah.
और तुम्हारा ग्लो अप हो जाएगा काफी सब्सटैंशियल
But
यार ग्लो अप तो कॉलेज के बाद हो ही
बट
जाता है
हो ही
तुम
जाता
ऐसे
है,
पहले ग्लो डाउन दिखाओगे उसको एकदम ही
हाँ,
doofus
वही होता है,
दिखाते हैं,
like very
और
often.
फिर उसको एकदम ही आप
ऐसा एकदम या
नहीं होता
Do
इतना
you-
नहीं
do you
होता
think you'll-
guys
I was about to ask, you think you look better now than you looked in college?
not as much Kajol after college
I mean, but we all look different and better just because times have gone by and most of us in general
Yeah.
are becoming better looking than we did.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
college.
of course, yes.
ये बहुत
believe that.
ये बहुत deep discussion
I-
है
I believe that. I
podcast
believe that
में.
because people are in general trying to be healthier, even subconsciously, even though not like trying. You just happen to be.
भाई अभी
Healthier.
चिप्स खाए हमने एपिसोड से पहले
एक
भाई,
packet
मेरे
chips.
हाथ में तेल लग गया था इतना तेल
no,
था
so
उस चिप्स में
so speaking of personal experience, right?
या
I was a lot chubbier
Hmm.
and I was a lot more overweight when I was in college. And in school. All my school life, I've been called fat.
खुद ही हंस रहा है वो ही.
What is, and now I don't get that much, which I miss. No, I don't. But I'm saying, like, so I
Yeah.
think that's true for me at least.
हाँ, मेरे
but
लिए तो नहीं है
but
मेरा
is
तो
it a glow
reverse हो
up?
गया।
That's for you to decide. You tell me. Mention in the comments if Antarish Thakkar got a glow up.
Picture of you as a kid. Oh my God.
Yeah,
ओ
yeah.
एक्चुअली अगर आप लोग YouTube पे जाओ तो एक अंतरिक्ष टक्कर जब आप टाइप करो ना तो एक वीडियो
बहुत ही घटिया एक ऑडिशन आता है.
ऑडिशन टेप आता है
बहुत ही
जिसमें
घटिया.
हमें वीडियो डालने की या फोटो
Yeah.
डालने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आप जाओ और YouTube पे टाइप करो अंतरिक्ष टक्कर ऑडिशन
No, मिल जाएगा, correct.
मिल जाएगा
Oh,
आई थिंक पहला दूसरा रिजल्ट ही है
But like I think we should actually put it in the video because I want to give that more views. रोल तुझे रोल की पड़ी है? 10 years down the line, someone says, "Oh, Antarish Thakkar, that's the first video that shows up because it has 50,000 views and shit."
अभी comment करेंगे सब कि glow up or not.
Yeah,
Oh,
correct.
yes,
Do that.
yes,
Do that.
yes.
Okay, so you guys didn't say. She mentioned why she thinks it's so iconic.
I mean, sure.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I mean, we've spoken about this before. It like changed the trajectory
Yeah.
of Bollywood.
Okay.
It made Bollywood more modern. It made it more
Young.
Announced the arrival of Rani Mukherjee, and even though Shah Rukh and Kajol were already famous at this
Yeah,
point,
also yes.
it kind of solidified their standing in Bollywood.
Famously Rani was not the first choice or a
Oh, yeah,
choice
yeah, yeah.
at all
Was it really?
Twinkle
First
Khanna.
Twinkle Khanna. Yeah,
Twinkle
yeah.
Khanna and Twinkle Khanna actually like in a banterish way she also says that it's because of me that Kuch Kuch Hota is such a big hit because I said no
Yeah.
अगर
agree.
मैं होती
I
तो वो
agree.
पिट जाती वो फिल्म but Rani Mukherjee apparently chased Karan Johar for the role and Karan Johar was not very keen on casting Rani but then she was like try to kar audition to le etc and then when she gave the audition he finally
Yeah, and this is also the first movie, even though this was second movie, Rani's, but first movie where they use her voice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was actually
Gulam
में.
listening on the radio कि गुलाम में उसकी आवाज यूज नहीं की थी तो
Yeah,
आमिर
correct.
खान was telling her कि don't feel bad.
Hmm.
People make decisions for the betterment of the movie.
Yeah.
And when Kuch Kuch Hota Hai released, he called her up and he
Apologized.
apologized.
Yeah.
Okay, हाँ.
But this wasn't a second movie. She also did this film called Mehendi, which I think was a
Yes,
Bro,
and
एक
That also got dubbed?
but all
I'm not
dubbed,
sure.
all dubbed.
हाँ.
एक
Oh, really?
एक और भी फिल्म करी थी उसने ब्रो
एक राजा
हाँ,
की
कुछ-
आएगी बारात राजा
हाँ राजा की आएगी बारात
Probably.
That
yeah,
was her
yeah.
first movie.
ब्रो
Oh, okay.
क्रेजी स्टोरी हाँ
Yeah.
क्रेजी
Why? What is the story? I don't remember.
Bro,
Raja की
I-
आएगी
it's
बारात.
It's dowry related.
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Is it not?
It is.
Either मेहंदी और
Dowry,
राजा की आरी की
abuse,
बारात कुछ तो है
all of
अब्यूज
that, yes,
रिलेटेड
yes,
या
yes.
नॉट
हाँ, तो
भाई
abuse,
बहुत
but dowry a
क्रेजी
part of it. So
बहुत
that's
क्रेजी
why I
स्टोरी है
Okay.
आप हमने तो बता दिया आप बताओ व्हाई डू यू थिंक दिस वाज लाइक एन आइकॉनिक फिल्म
So I think like doubling down on what Abbas said, one of the biggest reasons I feel, right? Shah Rukh Khan, okay, was already established as a
Yeah.
star. At
Obviously.
this point, okay. His chemistry with Kajol already established also. In DDLJ. This movie took that chemistry like up 10 times
Hmm.
with all those, hot moments between the two of them.
What?
You know that sexy moments between the two of them. You know what I mean?
What sexy moment?
Like the whole rain
अरे,
dance.
हाँ, and even like
all that, right? That
साड़ी उड़
changes.
रही है साड़ी उड़ रही है
Yeah,
उसको
all of that
blouse
साड़ी
दिख
उड़
रहा
रही है उसको हम लोग लेके आ रहे
her
हैं.
sari during
Yeah,
basketball.
exactly.
That's hot.
All
ब्रो
of that.
दैट्स एक्चुअली लाइक मेरे लिए थोड़ा वो है कि उसको उससे प्यार ही तब होता है जब उसकी साड़ी उड़ती हुई देखता
मतलब
है
उसको
वो।
कॉलेज की यादें याद आ
Which
जाती
is
है
a little
यार।
creepy.
The
Oh,
movie is
Now who's being male
problematic.
feminist?
but it is creepy. इसमें फेमिनिज्म वाली
Yeah.
बात ही नहीं है। उसका पल्लू ऐसे उड़ रहा है एंड उसके उसे लज्जा आ रही है और शाहरुख को लगता है ओ नारी।
नारी।
He is also a man grew up in patriarchal society. I get it.
क्योंकि
Fair
उसके
enough.
पहले तक तो वो उसको बड़ी
See, his
देखता था
wife
ना।
has died. He's not seen the wares
He has seen,
in
he has
some
seen
time.
flesh.
Okay. So when he catches a glimpse, you're like, oh fuck, I was missing out on this.
All those years, this is right in front of me. Oh shit!
I gotta get back in the game, bro.
Alright then, you have our amazing reasons as to why we feel that this is
Kuch
one
Kuch
of
Hota
the
Hai
most
was
iconic
iconic,
movies.
yes.
Yes, correct.
Also, another reason why it is all the more iconic for me is that I saw Shahrukh live when I watched for the
That is also
when
true.
I went.
That's why it's iconic.
Of
Oh,
course,
man.
Because
I
they
Yeah,
saw
if Snail
Shah
was
Rukh
not in the
Shahrukh
Audi,
live.
if
Yeah.
Snail was not in the Audi when Shahrukh came, it would.
Then
it
it's
would
just
be
Shah Rukh
another
and
mid
and Rani
and
Sorry,
Rani
let's
and
not forget.
Kejo.
and Kejo. Yes, of course.
Otherwise-
शाहरुख भी यही मानता है कि स्नेल ने
हाँ,
उसको थिएटर में
otherwise वो
देखा,
film किसी को याद ही नहीं होती यार।
मतलब
क्या
such a
है?
mid tier film यार. It's only because I got to see Shahrukh live.
Right.
It is an iconic film.
Great. You get it. Exactly. You will all agree, I'm sure. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to why we are doing this episode, which is recasting the entire cast of Kuch Kuch Hota
कुछ
Hai.
कुछ होता है.
Let's get down to it and do
Okay
it.
then. Woohoo!
Let's do it live. Okay, let's go. All right. Who wants to start?
Kirti.
Are we starting with main cast? Are we starting with?
Yeah. Let's start
I
with
feel-
main Salman end में रखते हैं.
Yeah, because Salman gets introduced in the movie also at the end. Let's save him for
Yeah,
the last.
he's the last character to be introduced.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. I'm right. No one says.
Sure.
एक तरीके
Yeah,
से.
maybe.
Yeah.
Out of-
रीमा लागू
Even Reema
Out
Lagoo.
of the characters that
रीमा लागू
we
तो हम
have,
recast कर नहीं रहे.
क्यों नहीं
यार क्या ही रोल है?
यार एक गाने के लिए है वो.
मेहंदी
हाँ.
लागे।
और फिर उसके बाद
तो
मेरी बेटी
बड़ा
समझौता करेगी. समझौता तो मैंने कर लिया है माँ. बस
Oh
उतना ही.
God, तुम्हें बिल्कुल
Doesn't,
ही याद है
doesn't
picture
Salman
यार।
and Reema Lagoo also have a scene?
Yes, वो बोलता है वो एल्बम दिखा रही होती है।
हाँ.
What do you
Obviously.
mean? What kind of scene do you mean?
No, like
मतलब,
a son-in-law and mother-in-law
Yeah,
scene.
she's like mother-in-law. एक बात कहूँ, कहो. मुझे लगता है आपकी बेटी मुझसे प्यार नहीं करती.
हाँ ये
And then he's like थत. And then वो बोल के चली
पर
जाती है.
मैं करती हूँ. That's a different movie.
How much porn are you watching, Antariksh?
अंतरिक्ष
I can't help it.
What, you can't help the prediction?
Or you're leading phrasing, guys. Come
ये
on.
स्टडी में होता है अकेला पूरा दिन।
I
मुझे नहीं
swear,
पता
I
क्या
literally
करना
said
एक
they have a
second.
scene.
ये यही होता है पूरा दिन.
क्या?
हाँ, और क्या काम तो यही कर रहा था।
That's my brother said. Don't worry.
भाई ये कल अगले एपिसोड से ब्लू लाइट्स होंगे हाँ ताकि हमें पता हो कहाँ बैठना है,
Red
कहाँ
light,
नहीं
red
बैठना
light,
है.
only red
Red
lights. What the fuck, bro?
Anyway,
So,
शाहरुख
Rahul.
राहुल
Rahul.
नाम तो सुना ही होगा. ये कौन सी फिल्म का डायलॉग
इस
है?
पिक्चर का तो
इसी
है.
फिल्म का है ना राहुल
हाँ,
नाम तो सुना ही
ऐसे
होगा.
का
हाँ,
है।
Yeah, bro.
So, Snehil, you're starting?
No, कीर्ति.
बट
Okay, ठीक है।
ऑप्शंस है मेरे पास तो शुड आई
अरे यार अंतरिक्ष is rubbing
like
off
husband,
on you,
like
dude.
wife.
What the fuck? हर कास्टिंग के 17 ऑप्शन देता है.
She learns from the best.
I'll tell the best
Okay.
I have
Okay,
then
yeah.
I'll
Okay.
tell slightly थोड़ा
Sure.
ठीक है.
तो मेरा ऑप्शन फॉर शाहरुख इज अविनाश तिवारी
Okay.
फ्रॉम लैला मजनू.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
तूने भीतर में भी डाला
मैंने
है?
नहीं मैंने नहीं डाला. मैंने पहले डाला
तूने
था
last
पिछले
time
एपिसोड.
डाला तूने, हाँ.
हाँ.
हाँ
Yeah.
यस
अविनाश तिवारी?
हाँ
अच्छा, that's your best option.
yeah that is
Oh.
that and
That sounded a little
doesn't
judgmental
come
at
into-
the Snehil.
Okay. Just a pro tip. Give your best option second.
So that at least we are कि हाँ चलो उससे तो ठीक ही है.
Yeah, exactly. So if whenever someone has an argument to your not so good option, then you're like, guys, wait. That's
is
not
the
my
thing.
main option.
Okay.
Obviously, are you guys idiots?
okay fine but
चलो.
also Zahan Kapoor from
Oh,
Black
interesting.
Oh.
Who is
Yes.
Zahan Kapoor? Oh, yeah,
the
got it.
Black-
got it.
Black
Yeah,
Warrant,
War. I think
yeah.
he has potential to do. But देखो ये मैं सोचूं, इस विजन से सोचूं कि उसको quirky दिखना है और कॉलेज स्टूडेंट भी दिखना है और
शाहरुख
maturity
कहीं से भी
दिखना है.
quirky
Yeah.
नहीं दिखता.
Also,
Hey,
3
quirky
Idiots.
था, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट नहीं दिखता था,
Amir
लेकिन
Khan
quirky
was
था.
44 when he was in 3
Yeah.
Idiots.
मतलब
Yeah,
playful और मतलब ऐसे मतलब
worry.
Playboy.
frivolous.
The thing is कि जहान कपूर को और इनफैक्ट अविनाश को दोनों ने अभी तक ऐसा कोई रोल किया नहीं है जहाँ पे उनका ये वाला साइड दिखे where they are all
But in
That's
Laila
why-
Majnu,
हाँ,
in
fair,
the first part of the film,
हाँ.
Avinash Tiwari
Is
is
a college student,
and
yes.
is a good flirt,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so I think he has potential.
Hmm.
और maturity वाला role उसका था, मतलब he had the straight role in Madgaon Express, as in he didn't have the comedic lines.
हाँ ठीक
तो
है.
he can do serious and he can
सीरियस
do
तो वो कर ही
funny.
सकता है, वो तो उसने
हाँ.
काफी ही कर दिया सेकंड
तो
हाफ में.
वो और जहान कपूर का तो नहीं देखा है बहुत versatility,
हाँ.
but I think उसमें है
Yeah,
charm.
but he has the
हाँ.
look.
यार कपूर खानदान का चार्म तो आई थिंक विरासत में आता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
हाँ, तो और
Sure,
क्यूट भी
yeah.
है तो.
अगेन कपूर खानदान है तो मतलब
Fair enough.
और मैडी जस्ट
क्या
Rahul.
यार वो
He's old enough to be Rahul's father.
आई डोंट मतलब डोंट कंसीडर, अगर एज नहीं कंसीडर करें तो मैडी.
उसके हिसाब से तो आई थिंक अमिताभ वुड बी अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन टू
I think
प्ले
that would be
राहुल.
fantastic.
Rajesh Khanna from the 70s.
Then,
हाँ, ये
yeah.
मेरे
Actually, this was one of the recommendations from a comment section, our comment section, where someone was like कि कोई एक फिल्म लो और उसके 70s और 80s के आइकॉनिक
हाँ,
एक्टर्स
it's
कास्ट
like
करो.
reverse
Like,
recasting.
Reverse
That's
recasting.
interesting.
we can do that sometime.
Yeah.
Next recasting episode maybe.
I think we've said this before and we never
वो
did
तो
it.
हम हर
So, yes.
देखो कल किसने देखा है.
कल yesterday and tomorrow
Exactly.
किसने
किसने ने देखा है.
Yesterday भी नहीं.
वो वर्तमान आंखों का
तो
धोखा.
हाँ, अविनाश तिवारी, जहान कपूर एंड
Maddie.
if younger.
Just for the
then-
sake of
but
it.
option
yeah.
one is Maddie. Yes, of course.
Yes, but
course.
Avinash Tiwari
Okay.
is
Sure,
my
nice.
strong choice.
Let's go.
Okay.
एक चीज I want to
Oh,
add, मैंने बोला नहीं कि when I was thinking of Rahul, I was thinking someone who can whip up the charm like on a high scale because the character is toxic. ठीक है, वो
All
पहले
my
तो
friends are toxic.
पहले वो सारी लड़कियों के साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहा था, सबको सेम ब्रेसलेट दे रहा होता है. और फिर बाद में भी पहले वो उसको वैसे नहीं देखता प्यार भरी नजरों से, बट उसकी बीवी मर जाती है तो अब उसको प्यार आ रहा है बिकॉज वो लोनर है तो उसको करना पड़ेगा. तो अगर चार्मिंग नहीं
करना
हुआ
पड़ेगा.
अगर बंदा चार्मिंग नहीं हुआ तो व्यूअर्स कैन नॉट फॉरगिव दिस बिहेवियर.
Man, again, like going back to why this movie is iconic, right? Definitely also this defined what love is.
For a
It
lot
can
of
be for a lot, or a
Yeah.
big part of our generation.
for a full generation.
as in
Because
Like,
you are the
it
only one who
basically-
was in the love wala phase at that time.
So it
No, I
defines
was
love
10
as
years
in
old.
ke, this is what love looks like in our age group. Okay, this is what college love
मतलब
is.
it's way
Oh,
what first
that's
love
right.
is like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know,
yes,
this is,
agreed.
कि ऐसा ही होगा, and then everyone wanted that because they thought this is the ideal version
Yeah.
of that. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why all the boys in college were waiting for their London return student to come
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that they could marry
Correct.
them. And
Yes.
were
And
not,
then-
And Abbas is still waiting.
were
sorry.
not proposing to their best friends.
और जो लोकल लड़कियां थी वो फ्रेंड जोन हो रही थी. Just
let's not say the F word here. Abbas gets triggered. guys.
Buzz gets
Frank
triggered, yes.
zone.
Uh,
Who's your Rahul?
yes.
Mine is. I'm thinking which one to go with first. I obviously have to also.
Yeah, fair.
My first not so great option, but I think could be decent and could be interesting scenes in a role like this because I don't think we've seen him in a role like this. Is Ali Fazal? Okay, Richard Chadda's husband.
Okay. Yeah.
Ali Fazal from Mirza
It is
Poet.
Ali Fazal. No, we confuse Ali Zafar
अबे
and
हाँ,
Ali
एक
Fazal a
second,
lot.
भाई,
Ali Fazal, Fazal,
भाई,
Fazal,
मैंने
Fazal,
अली
Fazal,
जफर
Fazal.
को अली फजल बोल दिया, so I'm like, do your research. And I'm like,
नहीं,
भाई,
do research नहीं बोला.
बस
He was very nice in the comments. Let's
अरे
see, let's-
दो
let's-
कमेंट आए हैं.
अच्छा दो आए
एक ने नाइसली
एक ने
लिखा
nicely
है
बोला है बात.
कि ऐसा मैंने डिसलाइक किया था वो हंसने वाला कमेंट, तुम हंसा करो, तुम चिल करा करो लाइफ में. एंड एक बंदे ने लिखा इट्स नॉट अली फजल, इट्स अली जफर. ठीक है, डू योर रिसर्च. मैंने कहा
But this
यार,
one is Fazal.
बस एक नाम से मतलब ऐसा.
Yeah. And you clearly
I mean, he's
understand
right.
why we make that mistake.
हाँ,
The
मतलब
comment
yeah.
is right.
As long as we didn't say Ali Asghar, I think we're fine. Okay.
But I like how Snail did the voice for the commenter.
यार अब जैसे आई थिंक दिस इज द क्लासिक स्टीरियोटिपिकल वॉइस फॉर अ मीन कॉमेडी.
Oh,
Oh,
everyone becomes Vicky Malhotra,
हाँ, yeah.
Varun Thakur's
no, we're
alter ego.
pretty.
Ali
Okay, so
Fazal is Rahul.
Ali Fazal as Rahul. Let's Yeah, I think he would
Has
be.
he played anything like that?
No, that's
before?
what.
But that's what
why.
that's why we do this, na,
That's it,
Abbas.
because you don't want to go down. You don't want to see the actors in the same role they've seen done a
But
million
he's-
times.
Sure, but he's not as charming as Shah Rukh.
Oh,
though.
he is, man. He's quite
Nobody is
charming.
as charming as Shah Rukh.
But- yeah,
No,
but
my,
I
my,
can
my,
kinda
my next
see-
option
Haan.
has the possibility to be
Hmm.
if given the
Is your
right
next
role.
option Kartik Aaryan?
Never, bro. Never. Not for Rahul
Vikrant
at all.
Massey.
Oh no, not that also.
बोलो ना बोलो फिर
Rajkumar Rao.
no
Thank you guys. I'll see you next
I
episode now.
reject this option
Rajkumar Rao.
If the
Extremely.
if the college is in a small town,
Yeah,
हमसे ये नहीं होगा.
small town of Manhattan or something.
देखिए आप अंजलि हो या टीना हो, लेकिन
Yeah.
हमसे नहीं होगा.
and
Pune. This is not Bombay. This is Pune.
and cool के नेकलेस की जगह अगर चांदी की चेन
हाँ, ऐसे कुछ. देखिए हमारी मम्मी ने बहुत प्यार से हमको
बहुत
दिया.
प्यार से बनाया
See,
हमारे
the thing
लिए.
is wrong. Also, like Rajkumar needs this kind of role where he is positioned as that urban young lad.
उसकी नीड का हम क्यों ख्याल
Bro,
रखें
भाई I want this.
Brutal.
हमें क्या परवाह उसको क्या need है?
राजकुमार राव कभी नहीं आ रहा
Why
हमारे
would you
show
do this, dude?
अब
Why
से-
you would do this? I'm
अब
saying.
से हर एपिसोड पे 4 लोग होंगे और कोई हो ना हो कीर्ति जरूर होगी.
क्या need है हमें?
Welcome to the Comedy Central roast of Rajkumar Rao.
क्या need है उसमें तो कर रहे हैं? What does he do act? So I'm saying that Rajkumar Rao is an absolute chameleon. He can do anything that he sets his mind to,
मतलब he's
or
a
his
good
acting
actor,
attitude.
no doubt about
Sure,
it.
I'm not
Fantastic
denying
actor.
that.
Yeah, dude, he's one of the best.
One of-
for sure.
Yeah,
But
he's the best for this role.
अभी तो राजकुमार राव बोला तो मुझे अली फजल ज्यादा चार्मिंग लग रहा है.
Well, you're wrong. Both of them can be charming.
Ali
yes.
Fazal is very charming I
Yes,
must
but Rajkumar Rao,
Sure.
he can be charming in any kind of role, dude. I've seen him be charming as a Mithun rip-off
do you see-
in Ludo.
Yeah, but this is not
Uh,
that. Like, do you see two women fighting over
Rajkumar Rao.
Rajkumar?
No,
Rao?
एक second, मतलब
But
we-
that's only the story, dude.
I
Do you
think we'll have to come back to this we'll circle back to this conversation
Why?
once we get to know who your Rani and Kajol are.
No, I'll tell you what the quote unquote problem here is. All the roles that you are referencing, he's playing a simpleton in all
Yeah,
of them.
dude.
Rahul is not a simpleton. He's
Rahul-
in कुछ कुछ होता है. He's playing like this. Oh, सबको friendship band दे रहा है, सब लड़कियों को पटा रहा है. What you
What
are
I'm
saying
saying-
is that he has the potential to pull it off
Absolutely.
if given a chance.
Exactly.
That's what his vision is
You get
something
it, right?
different. Your
Yeah.
vision is
I
different.
always come with a vision and a mold that the actor has not played before. I'm not like general thinkers,
जूरी है वो
like
film
you
fair पे.
simpletons of our time. I'm not like that, dude. I go beyond. I'm like, I want to challenge my actors, guys.
Fair.
Okay,
Fair.
cool. Now
What
I'll
the
tell
hell?
you all the right decision, the right option.
Oh,
alright?
you mean
Right choice तो मेरे पास है
you mean
लेकिन-
the right wing option? Okay, I get it.
Yeah, everything is played by Anupam Kher.
Right option
No.
तो मैंने दे दिया
My second right option
अरे
for
बाप
Rahul
रे.
is Ishan Khatter. Young,
मेरी लिस्ट में भी था
Yeah.
young
ईशान
college student,
Shit.
ladies boy.
बट आई थिंक
You know what? A metrosexual.
Fuck,
all
okay,
of those
dude,
things.
0.5 brain
I
cell लगे ना
should-
आपको ईशान खट्टर सोचने में.
I should say
But
one
it's the
thing.
correct answer.
I
Yeah.
should say one thing okay,
Yeah.
about Ishan Khatter. He does not fit the role,
Why?
but he is an absolute heartthrob. That I
I
would
agree.
agree.
But why doesn't
Dude,
it fit
we
the role?
just recently saw him at Lakme Fashion Week.
Hmm.
Dude, he had to walk the runway and we were sitting in the second row.
Hmm.
He had to walk
And
the
you were
runway.
trying to vlog the thing.
Yeah.
That you were like कि vlog तो नहीं बन पाया, story डाल देता हूँ.
हाँ, correct. Snail knows,
इसकी
man.
कोई जरूरत नहीं थी.
How laziness kicks in. So, dude, this guy.
And you were charmed your pants off, right?
he
Dude,
took off his shirt and showed his abs that's
Sculpt-
about it
sculpted body, dude.
but everybody
No,
has
imagine him in
sculpted
raining,
body.
raining. It's raining and he's dancing and he's doing
यार,
this.
मैं
Oh, the water gets collected in the
मैं-
ass.
I
That's
arrest
what
my
the-
case.
क्या है?
हाँ,
इस केस में मैं
हाँ.
पता प्रॉब्लम क्या है
Hmm.
कि ईशान खट्टर कैन वेरी वेल प्ले द स्टूडेंट बट ही कैन नॉट प्ले
The mature
great
one.
point.
I think he
one,
can.
which
I agree.
भाई कैसे भाई
Why not?
he
If Rajkumar Rao can play Rahul.
Rajkumar Rao can play everything.
Then
यार,
Ishan Khatter.
Rajkumar is playing everything already.
मैं genuinely बताऊं in this case Rajkumar Rao seems a better option than Ishan
Seems
Khatter.
like
Every
the
option.
seems like the only option.
Ishan
if you
Khatter
think
is what?
about it.
He's in his late 20s.
भाई
early
he's 28
30s.
29 at max.
Okay, so
ठीक है शाहरुख was 34 when he played this.
okay.
What I mean to say is कि anyway Ishan Khatter का positioning in the industry right now and anyway by the looks also he looks very college, and I would 100% agree कि as a college student he looks very good. मतलब I get where you are coming from.
Of course.
ठीक
I
है, but
always well thought out.
I'm just saying कि the place is wrong wherever you are coming from.
Wow, he said it.
मेरे
The
बगल में
place is
place
wrong, it seems. Okay,
But ठीक है,
Snehal,
ठीक है.
let's
I-
hear your.
यार I think
सब में तूने खामियां निकाली.
मैं
हाँ भाई,
बताता
अब
हूँ
तू
यार,
बता.
मेरे में सिर्फ परफेक्शन है. My SRK as Rahul is Ayushmann Khurrana, bro.
Really?
Done
And
to
you are
death,
you are you are
bro.
taking
Done,
his
bro.
case for being
Done, bro.
tier 2.
Rajkumar to is
What?
firstly
Ayushmann Khurrana plays tier 2 heroes all the time.
No, he's played Vicky Donor.
What
में
the?
Urban
एक
Guy.
Yeah.
second.
Yeah, man.
I mean, yeah, article
Dream
370.
Girl and all these films that
Article,
he's done,
article,
man.
article.
The thing is, again,
How is
मैं आपको
Ayushmann of Rodi's time? Maybe yes.
भाई
Not
आयुष्मान
today's
आयुष्मान खुराना एक तो जो हंक वाला एस्पेक्ट हुआ था, आयुष्मान कैन एक्चुअली पुल दैट ऑफ.
Yeah, an
Ayush-
action hero.
आयुष्मान ने एक्शन हीरो में क्या स्मूथ रहा है वो पूरी फिल्म में. अगर आपको बॉडी वॉडी उसमें जाना है तो क्लियर हमारे पास एग्जांपल है फॉर चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी, जिसमें उसने पूरा प्रॉपर बॉडी बिल्डर फिजिक बनाया है. ये
But Shahrukh did not have a bodybuilder physique. in
नहीं
the
नहीं
movie.
मैं मान रहा हूँ बॉडी बिल्डर, मैं बस ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स कवर्ड बता रहा हूँ आपको. ही हैज द एक्टिंग इमोशनल वेवलेंथ की वो हर एक्टिंग तो वो अच्छी ही करता है, उसमें तो किसी को डाउट नहीं है, एक्टिंग तो वो
But
सही ही करता
He
है.
doesn't cry as well. Rajkumar cries like a pro, bro.
Ayushmann is a better option than
Then
Rajkumar
all
and,
the options that have been
and,
said.
Ishan, but mine is the best option. You have
But
to
चलो
agree.
कीर्ति
I,
ठीक
sorry,
है.
I forgot what was your option.
Avinash
Oh yeah,
Tiwari.
shit, I forgot. All right, let's get to everyone's Kajol, Anjali.
Yes.
Older Anjali. Starting, let's change it up, or you want to start? Go to the stick to the.
ठीक है
same?
ठीक है, कोई नहीं, कीर्ति तुम बताओ.
Okay, Kirti?
मैं बता देती हूँ, बट तुम लोग वार्म अप लेट से करते हो अपने ऑप्शंस को लेके. मेरा ऑप्शन है वामिका गब्बी.
Oh.
Oh, we've had this conversation, guys.
Okay.
भाई वो सारी वाला scene.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Okay.
Abbas directly went to
did he
भाई
say
वो
earlier?
साड़ी वाला सीन.
उसको होमाज तो देना पड़ेगा भाई. वामिका कभी अगर कास्ट हो
Okay.
गई तो.
So Vamika Gabi, I also have her in my cast, but she's playing Tina in my cast.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
Because to me, Vamika Gabi looks like a more
Rich.
more
Modern.
NRI.
no man. You know what I want to say?
Dainty.
Less tomboyish of.
No, I think she has the personality to carry a tomboy role.
Okay,
Oh,
so
अच्छा हाँ अंजलि. Oh yes, okay.
I have to. Okay.
Now you go ahead. That's
Okay,
it.
so you got. What was her
Wait,
name? Vamika.
anything you
Vamika,
want to say
yeah.
about Vamika Gabbi as Anjali?
Nothing, bro.
No, no,
She's
she's
perf.
good enough, but
Or Sharvari.
but she's better as Tina, I would say.
Yeah.
Or Sharvari. Or
Oh,
Sharvari.
bro. I had Sharvari
I
as
have
Kajol.
both Vamika and Sharvari as
Kajol?
Tina, yeah, as Tina.
Oh, I
Yeah,
have
that's great.
Sharvari as Kajol.
But as my Kajol,
Huh.
I had two options.
The only right answer was Kirti Antariksh as your Kajol, but
I have
you
written
missed
that
the
down. I have written that
But
down.
he didn't
Kirti
cast
Sinha.
himself as Rahul.
I have written that down, Kirti Sinha. But I think so. If you're going by just who I look at, and it says tomboy to me, actresses wise, there's right now only one answer to me is Radhika.
Madan.
Madan, Radhika Madan.
But
Yeah.
she also has to play like feminine.
Yeah, so she has played she plays like slightly more tomboyish characters, but she has played the womanly character also, like she did in Sarfera, right? That was her?
Sarfera, yeah,
Sarfera,
yeah.
yeah. She was
but
like,
Sarfera maybe she was not
very strong,
Very
kind of.
yeah.
strong character.
Yeah,
I think
strong character.
tomboyish से
That's the
ज़्यादा
only
right word would be more athletic and
athletic,
more
sure.
yeah.
That is the better
And
word.
that's
yes.
why-
Tomboy is the correct
That's why I think I chose Sharvari as the right answer.
For
Okay.
your Anjali.
Yeah, for my Anjali, because like again she can play both. I feel like she looks like someone who would beat Ayushmann Khurrana in a basketball match, but then eventually like pull off a very beautiful stereotypical conventional female like heroine, Bollywood heroine.
Okay. Sharvari, I kind of see that. Sure. I also had another option because I
Yeah.
always do. Radhika Madan was one. The other one was so I had thought of Tripti Dimri, But again, she's been doing these kind of roles and she's done to that.
But Tripti Dimri is as feminine as they come. She cannot pull off a tomboy.
She's right actually.
Oh, maybe, yeah, could be right.
She's
Yeah, maybe.
like quiet,
So-
graceful.
So I had Sania Malhotra.
Yeah.
Bro,
So I
Sania
love
Malhotra,
Sania Malhotra.
but I
That's also
like
my
she
idea.
she fits the part perfectly,
Perfectly, yeah.
but we mention her in
Every episode.
So
I know,
what?
it's true. She's not out of bounds. Not yet.
But
not
Sania
like
Sania
every
Malhotra-
other.
in the sari zone you can see. Sania
Yeah,
Malhotra.
ta-
Samudra, yeah,
Huh.
dude. Of course.
Dude, have you this new Kamal Hassan movie, the song that has released?
Yeah, I saw,
Thug
but
Life.
that's also very
It's very
quirky.
quirky,
You saw her
yeah.
Sexy.
song with Sunidhi Chauhan.
Yeah, but that's bikini
Sexy.
में तो
That's
फिर वो
sexy.
तो पर तुम समझो साड़ी में सेक्सी लगना है वो सोचो.
हाँ हाँ लगेगी.
हाँ भाई. And I'm sure. So I'm
लगवा
no,
देंगे.
like in the sense. So this guy. Why are you doing this? So in the sense, see, if you go to her Instagram,
Wait,
she has
huh.
worn lovely sarees and looks
Yeah.
lovely and
Yeah,
graceful.
but
in them.
yes, graceful, lovely is different and sexy is different.
Yeah, she does look sexy in them also. Yeah.
No, I don't think so at all.
Okay, well, you're wrong.
No, look, she has put the image of Vamika Gappi in a sari in our heads.
So as compared to that, Sania Malhotra in a sari
Bro,
is less sexy.
Sania Malhotra is.
It's very sexy,
No,
yes.
I think even.
Wow. ध्यान रखो थे जरा आराम से.
I think actually.
कैमरास बंद होंगे.
Actually, both of them are ghosts.
Better. पांच
Full
बार
on.
बोल रहा है. She looks.
Full on yuck.
बोल रहा है.
Full on yuck.
ऊपर से कीर्ति को ही बता रहा है. Have you seen her Instagram?
I mean,
She is wearing
yeah,
gorgeous
she's
sarees.
amazing, dude. Alright, I can't find other sarees hot, dude. What the fuck? मैंने देखा the way you were looking at Ishan Khatter at Lakme Fashion Week.
He took off his shirt. That's what she mentioned. Huh? I was like, you said, yeah,
Yeah.
she took off his shirt.
Yeah. तो तुम्हें आंखें अवॉइड कर रही थी. तुमने देखा कैसे पराए मर्द को.
Sorry, who was your Anjali?
Sharvari.
Sharvari, okay. Cool, I think so, yeah. Good
तुम्हारी?
choices. Sanya.
Sanya
Just one
also,
option.
मतलब
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Okay, who's your Rani?
Mine is Vamika and Sharvari.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
मुझे एक बात बता. एक
Really
second.
does.
We clearly know who Antriksh is choosing between Anjali and Tina.
Bro, I love how he's like राजकुमार राव और वामिका कपी को पेयर कर देते हैं.
सारे
वहाँ
movie
पे
में.
हाँ,
आ रहे
bro.
भूल चूक
Yeah.
माफ पे आ रहे
Yeah, bro,
हैं.
okay.
फिर उनको वामिका गाबी को tier 2 सिटी बनाना पड़ा.
राजकुमार को तो
That is
तू वहीं रह जहाँ है.
वही रहे, हम वामिका को ले आएंगे.
तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम आ जाओ नीचे.
Oh, God.
हाँ, मेरा आंसर है उर्वशी रौतेला because रानी मुखर्जी dies. I'm kidding. ऐसा joke answer.
चलो पिक्चर के 200 करोड़ हो गए यहीं पे.
Daku Mirage.
Daku Mirage is dead.
मेरे
PR
पास
पे खर्चा नहीं
है
करना
कुछ
पड़ेगा.
options, but I want to go with an offbeat option, तो मैं select करूँगी मृणाल ठाकुर.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mrunal Thakur.
Okay,
Does she
interesting.
look like an NRI from Oxford?
No, but Rani also doesn't look like an NRI. But ये तीन लोगों का भी मुझे केमिस्ट्री आपस में समझ आ रहा है. वामिका, मृणाल और जहान हो गया या अविनाश हो गया. That's a nice throuple, I would say. तो मृणाल ठाकुर. But मेरे पास एक और ऑप्शन है श्रद्धा कपूर, which I think she would pull off also.
Shraddha can. मेरे
She
mind में
would.
भी थी
Tina,
Shraddha
yeah, she
because
cannot
एक तो she is very good at accents.
Yes, she has a great American accent.
she is a great American accent.
But Rani did
but वो
do an
लंदन
accent.
से है तो American accent का क्या ही करेंगे. But she has a great British accent
अच्छा.
also.
Okay.
Like there's this clip where she's doing accents
All
from
the
different.
accents,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So she can actually pull that off.
But she looks so ugly while doing it.
Hideous.
He has to say.
अच्छा, he has to say it.
तेरा
I was
तेरी
like,
कौन
what?
है टीना?
I had two options. One was Rakul Preet and the other one was Kriti Sanon.
Oh, not bad.
Bro, Kriti Sanon I think can pull off.
Yeah, Kriti Sanon would be.
Yeah,
She
and
was-
Rakul
I was-
also.
I was thinking Kriti also. But
Uh,
Rakul, no.
no, chalo Kriti. Kriti, sorry.
was Rakul Preet actually your option?
Yeah.
Or did I mention her?
No,
and then
no.
You think of her?
Rani Rakulpreet.
Oh, okay, interesting. Okay.
Anyway.
My option is Janvi Kapoor as Tina.
यार it was right there यार.
Yeah,
अब्बास
so
भाई
I took it.
मतलब थोड़ा तो 2% तो मतलब
So
दिया
my
करो
trio
ना.
is Ishan, Sanya, and Janvi.
Well, at least she dies.
That's a hit movie right there.
Sure, in your head. Any movie with Janvi in it is not a hit.
Yeah,
Of course it is.
Next,
कौन सा
let's
कर
go
रहे
to.
Anupam Kher and Archana Purun Singh.
Okay, let's go to Anupam and Archana. Yeah, why not?
Okay. ठीक है, साथ में करें?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they are a couple, I guess. Eventually.
तो वो तो साथ में करेंगे.
अंतरिक्ष यार. Okay.
Antariksha is just so funny in his own head.
Yeah, dude. I'm
Love
loving this vibe.
Okay.
I have two options for Anupam Kher.
Okay.
Anil Kapoor and Ravi Kishan.
Anil Kapoor and
Ooh,
Ravi Kishan.
Anil
Okay.
Kapoor is an
Anil-
interesting choice.
Anil Kapoor is an interesting choice.
Ravi Kishan to chalo is a wrong answer, but
Oh, I think he can.
Ravi
वो
Kishan?
हिंदी prof होगा Ravi Kishan.
Hmm.
So a
Well,
new take.
Who's your Miss Braganza?
हाँ, Miss Braganza या तो तबू
Ooh.
या शेफाली शाह.
Okay, Tabu is a great
Shefali
option,
Shah
okay.
playing like a
Say-
modern.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, she
Bro,
can.
Or
that's-
sexy English
So
teacher.
that पता है मैंने शेफाली शाह लिखा हुआ है, but then
Cancel कर दिया.
I also thought this कि शेफाली शाह पता नहीं मतलब
But she cannot pull off mini skirt sexy, but she can pull off a sexy for sure.
हाँ मतलब
शेफाली शाह.
okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
Like
I
not
think,
a
yeah.
leg sexy, but like a cleavage sexy.
चलो as long
I
as
get it, Kirti.
Whatever
as
you're
long as
into.
Kirti is saying it.
Yeah, man. People can be into any kind of legs, yeah. What
Wait,
if-
so your couple would be
Anil
having Ravi
Kapoor-
Kishan and
Yeah,
Shefali
why
Shah.
not? Yeah, that
Ravi
could
Kishan
be
and
interesting.
Shefali Shah. Okay.
And Anil Kapoor and Tabu would be great. Or
Yeah.
Anil Kapoor and Malaika Arora Khan. Malaika Arora.
Malaika
sorry.
Arora Khan.
Sorry.
Oh,
Good
Malaika is a
choice.
good
Yeah,
choice.
yeah,
Yes,
actually very
Malaika
good
is a
choice.
good choice.
Can I go next? I'm very proud of this casting.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay,
go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Okay, so my Miss Braganza, as a hat tip to the original Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, is played by Rani Mukherjee.
Oh.
Okay, and my principal is actually Sanjay Kapoor.
Oh, Sanjay
Not Ali
Kapoor is
Kapoor,
great.
But Sanjay Kapoor.
Sanjay
This
Kapoor is a
bumbling
great
buffoon
choice.
of a principal who nobody takes seriously.
Great, great.
So yeah, that's my.
Not Rani Mukherjee, but Sanjay Kapoor, yes.
You say?
I think I have a good answer for this, and it's a very
That's what
interesting.
Abbas said as well.
तो मतलब there is a difference.
Yes. So, Snail, you were about to tell us your
Yes.
Anupam Kher and.
भाई so again
Archana Purun Singh.
interesting choice. हाँ, अब मैं आपको पहले चॉइस का बेसिस बताता हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है अनिल कपूर कह रहा हूँ सॉरी अनुपम खेर और अर्चना पूरन सिंह का बेसिस और डायनामिक्स ऐसा है कि वो उसके बहुत आउट ऑफ रीच है लाइफ में.
Yeah, sure.
ठीक है. एंड एक और चीज जो मुझे लगता है जो रियल लाइफ से मैंने इंस्पिरेशन लेके कास्टिंग करी है वो ये है कि अर्चना पूरन सिंह इन हर लाइक यंग डेज वाज स्मोकिंग हॉट.
Yeah.
अग्निपथ बीइंग लाइक द क्लासिक एग्जांपल. तो ड्रम रोल प्लीज.
God.
अनुपम खेर
Sanjay Dutt.
in my casting is Piyush Mishra,
Okay, nice.
and Archana Purun Singh in my casting is Bipasha Basu.
Okay.
What a killer fucking combo, dude.
But Bipasha Basu
That's
looks
interesting. I
young
like
only.
So why I casted like this? Bipasha Basu was again one of like the most sensuous woman when it comes to our industry. ठीक है. She has been off screen since a while now.
Yeah.
This could actually be like her comeback of sorts. ठीक है. और उसके साथ साथ पीयूष मिश्रा gives that teachery college professorish vibes. Bipasha Basu is obviously way out of
Piyush Mishra is the same guy, no? एक बगल में.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
But also like why
Him as the principal.
bro, have you seen the Shawkins?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, he'll
Bro,
pull
he
it
can
off.
pull that off
Okay.
very easily. So
Okay.
the Shawkins, ठीक है, that was my reference for like Piyush Mishra and again एक और चीज जो एक छोटा सा फैक्टर था, मिस ब्रिगेंजा जब भी आती तो पीछे से एक वो म्यूजिक बजता है ना, मिस ब्रिगेंजा.
Ah.
ऐसा ही like
Bipasha.
Who else?
Bipasha.
Who else can pull off Bipasha?
Bebo mein bebo.
But Bebo cannot play.
She's also
Archana.
around the same age as Bipasha, no?
But
Bebo?
again,
Yeah, but she is active in the industry. She's been doing her kind of roles. We've not seen Bipasha since a while now.
Okay.
But
I have a great-
as I said before, Piyush Mishra, yes, but बिपाशा के कमबैक का ख्याल हम क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Sorry, Vips. Kirti has spoken.
Who are yours?
I have the perfect options.
Of course.
Okay.
That's what
Yeah.
both of them said.
Yeah,
And both of them were clearly wrong, but not this guy. I think for Anupam Kher, like a very fun person to play that role, like it'll be like nobody will expect him to do this,
Can
but
I
it'll be very
guess?
fun. Wait, who?
Baman?
No.
Oh.
Maman is cliche.
Hmm.
Again, he's done this.
Hmm.
Abhishek Bachchan as Anupam Kher's role.
That's
Yeah.
too hot.
Dude,
for-
Abhishek Bachchan can play these silly kind of, like jokey kind of roles, and he's done this multiple times.
Yeah, I know.
Great.
I was in a scene with him. Thank you. Continue.
Correct. He did that scene as a joke only. Correct. Of course. Yeah. So great. So Abbas has to agree with me now, dude.
Okay.
He can't say Abhishek Bachchan is bad.
Anupam is like this. The principal is this bumbling fool,
That's
right?
a
Who
goofy-
nobody
Yeah,
takes
Ab-
seriously.
Abhishek has played these goofy roles. before.
Which?
Happy New Year.
वो goofy नहीं था.
That's not
Very
that.
goofy, bro.
Bro,
We're talking
Abhishek
about-
has leading man
And Bol
energy,
Bachchan
bro.
also. Very goofy role.
But they're different.
वो
goofy.
caricaturish
It's different.
हाँ,
role.
Yeah.
exactly.
Anupam Kher is not caricaturish in this movie.
मतलब he is, but then Anupam Kher also gives that dad vibe.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
No,
but
Abhishek Bachchan is old enough to give the dad vibe now,
Of
dude.
a marriage
So
marriage
in
and
your
daughter.
college, Rajkumar Rao is the student and Abhishek Bachchan is the principal.
Dude, you can give him some vibes.
I'm
make him
like,
bald.
they both seem like
How
the
do
same
you-
kind of guy.
Guys, it's a lot of this will depend on the clothing, the hairdo, the makeup.
You think
all of that makes a difference.
You think Abhishek will wear a bald cap?
Also, I think Abhishek और राजकुमार में कम से कम 15 साल का फर्क है.
Hey, but I'm saying if you
What?
put them
Easily,
together.
bro.
bro, I highly
एक
doubt.
second.
I
If
Easily,
you put them
for
in
sure.
the same
5-7
frame,
साल
Abhishek,
5-7 साल. No,
Abhishek
no.
also has leading man energy.
Huh?
Yes, he does.
Abhishek has
agree.
leading man energy. I'm saying.
Man,
Yeah,
ऐसे तो हम casting नहीं करते ना भाई, सिर्फ leading.
No, you cast someone who's appropriate for that
Bro,
role, like
but
Sanjay
Abhishek,
Kapoor,
Abhishek-
Piyush Mishra.
Abhishek would absolutely do a role like this
Yeah,
for
bro,
as a
9
favor or
years.
something.
9 years.
हाँ तो
तुम्हें
ठीक है.
अभिषेक
राज
बच्चन
को।
को देख के लगता है कि उसकी बेटी की शादी की उम्र है अभी?
हाँ, मैंने उसकी बेटी को अंजलि कास्ट किया है.
Oh, अच्छा
आराध्या को
Oh,
मैंने
oh.
bro, it
I didn't think of that.
crazy. It's a crazy casting, dude.
She looks exactly like the daughter.
Bro,
actually.
also
Yeah.
अभी recently उसका एक clip viral हुआ था where she's doing
Doing the
theater.
play, yeah.
Right, she's doing a play and she was doing very good. So why not soft launch her as a child artist,
What's
bro?
the definition of very good? I don't know.
Yeah, she was doing very good, yeah.
But
And
बोलो हम क्यों उसके करियर की परवाह करें? बोलो.
Wait, who's your Miss Braganza?
Miss Braganza with Abhishek Bachchan, my Miss Braganza,
Rani Mukherjee.
is Kareena Kapoor. Because I'll tell you why. Karan Johar has famously said that he based the character of Pooh on the character of Miss Braganza. So as like a full circle moment, how else would be a perfect way to pay off the Miss Braganza role is then getting to the person who paid Pooh to play Miss Braganza herself.
Just
Kareena can absolutely play the seductress, the extra naughty.
That I
but
can see.
तुम्हारा मिस ब्रिगेंजा और जो प्रोफेसर है वो ज्यादा ग्लैम है तुम्हारे मेन कास्ट से. राजकुमार राव और अभिषेक बच्चन
Brutal,
और
bro.
करीना कपूर
Kirti's
तुम्हारे- So, मिस
I didn't
ब्रिगेंजा
think
को
of
देखने जाएंगे पिक्चर.
Also, bro, this
Yeah, I have to sell that movie somehow. Rajkumar Rao is not putting asses in seats. I need Kareena Kapoor for that shit, dude.
Kareena and Abhishek debuted together in
Refugee.
Refugee.
Almost got married together, didn't she? No, Karishma.
No,
and-
That was
Kari-
Karishma.
Karishma and
that was
Abhishek.
Karishma, yeah.
Yeah. But I think my Braganza and
Bro,
and-
nahi,
and-
bro.
Are
sorry,
just the worst
Braganza
options.
and
I'm sorry,
okay.
but Abhishek
Bro,
Bachchan does
people
work.
always agree with me. They see my vision.
Okay.
You
Until
guys-
now, please tell
nobody-
us in the comments.
Nobody sees my vision with these things, guys.
They just agree. They just say कि Antriksh has the funniest options. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Nobody says the right answer.
They say the funniest
No.
and best.
Can I say, they say Antariksh smoked up before the recording. Is what they say.
Well, they aren't wrong.
Okay, should we move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Do we have
Okay.
a next
I
one?
think that's about it, right? Johnny Lever is left.
Do we just want to do like random names? we came
Farida
up with?
Jalal and Johnny Lever are left.
Aman is left.
Oh yeah, Aman is
Oh,
left.
yes,
Oh, yeah.
bro, fuck, Salman is left.
We said we'll save him for the last
Yeah,
and we
dude.
forgot about it.
But before
Aman.
we go ahead, I have a great option for Anjali.
Okay.
The kid Anjali.
The kid Anjali, okay.
Devi from Never Have I Ever.
Okay,
Have
I've
you
not
seen
that
Never
show,
Have I
no.
Ever?
नहीं भाई.
Okay.
Never have I ever watched Never Have I
किसी ने तो
Ever.
देखा होगा. She's
Isn't she
great.
a teenager in that show?
हाँ, so this
Okay.
I am envisioning a teenager
younger
only.
Yeah,
By the way,
yeah.
yeah.
No,
Okay.
the Devi in the show
In
is
the
a
show.
teenager.
But the girl should be a teenager क्योंकि
Yeah,
तुम
of
ऐसे
Fair.
बच्चे को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे रहे हो तो तुम ऐसे टॉडलर को मत दो कि भाई जाओ अपने डैड का हुकअप करो मतलब।
हुकअप नहीं यार, शादी.
मतलब
हाँ.
तो टीनेजर ही होना चाहिए और आई थिंक शी इज ग्रेट, शी इज वेरी feisty and she can pull it off, she can get her dad married, so yes.
I have no idea who that is.
I have also no idea, dude.
So guys, we have three cast members left. now,
Yes.
which is
Johnny, Farida, and Salman boy.
Salmon. Yes. Let's go with Johnny and Farida. साथ में थे.
Okay. Yes.
should I go first?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so my pairing, so for Rahul's mom, which is played by Farida Jalal, I have Supriya Pathak.
Oh, cool. I have Ratna Pathak Shah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And for Johnny Lever, I was thinking of someone like who's an Insta influencer / comedian. So I've gone for Danish Seth.
Who?
Danish
Dude.
Seth.
Johnny Lever, I put Danish Seth also.
Yeah, nice.
But then I
High five.
decided it wouldn't be as good an option.
Who is this?
Danish Seth, dude.
Hey, bro, he does a lot of IPL stuff also.
You know, Mr. Nags.
हाँ.
Oh, acha.
RCB.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Very
acha.
funny.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. He's funny.
Kubra
yeah.
Seth's brother. Also.
Yeah.
Kubra Seth's
Okay.
brother, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Supriya Pathak, Danish Seth. Together, I think that would be quite funny.
Fair enough.
Also, Supriya will have some chemistry with Shah Rukh.
So I had initially thought of Danish Seth,
Yeah.
but then I was like, Gopal Dutt might be okay.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
Might be quite alright.
Gopal is damn
But
funny.
also,
Huh.
dude, a very unique choice, a very interesting choice would be Abhishek Banerjee. You know Abhishek Banerjee from Stree?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right? He would be great as Johnny Lever.
Again in such a small role.
Dude,
तेरी पिक्चर का बजट बहुत सही
हाँ,
है.
bro.
अभिषेक बच्चन is principal.
Hi,
Abhishek
yeah.
Banerjee is Johnny Lever.
I don't look at budgets, man. That's not my job. That's
I prefer Gopal Dutt in the three.
Yeah. अभी तक तो Gopal Dutt is the
Okay.
best option.
my Farida Jalal, Ratna Pathak Shah was one. But do you guys know the actress Aisha Raza Mishra?
Yes.
Who
yeah.
is Kumud Mishra's,
Kumud Mishra's wife.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And also she played in Dil Dhadakne Do.
Yes.
She was that.
One of the one of the kitty party artists.
Yeah, that. तू मेकअप करना जाके रूही की तरह बनना. That
That
That-
lady,
that
yeah,
lady.
great.
should be spot on. Should be perfect
Yeah,
for Farida's
yeah.
vote, especially playing it off of
But
one or either.
Dadi, like grandmother.
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, Farida Jalal.
So wait,
also-
she's Rajkumar Rao's mother in your film.
Yeah, she's a motherly
Okay.
role. She
Cool.
does, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, Kumud Mishra plays motherly. He's played
Kumud
Rajkumar
Mishra
Rao's dad. I'm
plays
sure.
fatherly.
Sorry, fatherly.
Okay, these are still a better
Option.
Casting.
options than Kareena for Mrs.
Dude,
Briganza.
that's the best.
Kareena would be appalled if she sees this. She'll be very.
करीना का वो वाला मीम देखा
मुझे क्या परवाह उसका करियर के बारे में? हाँ?
But okay, ठीक है.
I don't think she would be great casting. Now it's up to the people to make it happen. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
My Farida Jalal is Neena Gupta.
Okay.
Oh, cliche.
और Johnny Lever Rajesh Hirji.
Oh.
Oh,
fine.
nice.
Nice,
Not
nice,
bad.
yeah, not
Good,
And I think
good,
Neena
good.
and Shah Rukh together would have great scenes as well.
Nice.
True.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good casting. I think इसके अंदर I will not say I have the best casting. So my Johnny Lever was Varun Sharma, Chucha from
yeah.
Fukre.
Fukre.
Yuck.
Antish hates him. You don't
Yeah.
know.
Bro, but
It's
I think
okay, man. To
I-
each their own.
I think he would be funny in the role. Like playing like with this colonial hangover
Yeah.
person. I think he would do a good job. And my Farida Jalal was actually Kiran Kher.
मेरा किरण खेर भी मैं थर्ड ऑप्शन था पर मैंने लिया.
Oh.
कि Kiran Kher was an option because like the traits कि बार बार अपने बच्चे को फोर्स करना कि शादी कर ले
हाँ.
सारे अपनी बहुओं की बिचिंग करते हैं मैं नहीं कर पाती. I think these traits and also the coolish funnish grandmother, I think Kiran Kher can pull it off.
Okay.
But then again, like,
But I think she's too feisty for the Farida Jalal.
I think she's also done these roles a lot. This is the typecast.
Default mother, yeah.
Yeah, this is the typecast that she gets everywhere.
But all of them.
But उसके अलावा और कोई रोल करती
Not
नहीं है.
like I said.
Supriya Pathak plays
सुप्रिया
mother.
पाठक भी
Not-
यही कर रही है वैसे.
Not Aisha Raza Mishra.
हाँ
Aisha Raza has a lot of theater
Aisha
actually.
Raza, does she really?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
cool. Okay.
Okay, now Abbas's choice.
I said na Supriya Patak.
Supriya
हाँ,
Patak.
हाँ,
Okay.
Said.
the big reveal.
Aman.
मैं बोलूँ क्या पहले?
Salman bhai.
Can I please go first?
Yes,
Go.
yes, please.
Okay. Guys, so mine is someone who is
भाई याद रखना आपका राहुल राजकुमार राव है.
correct.
ठीक है, correct. और आप अंजलि कौन है?
मेरी अंजलि है
कीर्ति.
हाँ, this was the second chance I gave you.
Sana Malhotra and
Hey, Saina Malhotra was mine.
Sana was mine, dude. We just high-fived, remember?
Yeah, but you went with the second.
Yeah, and Radhika Madan.
Radhika Madan is yours. Yeah.
Okay, and your अच्छा अंजलि ठीक है.
Okay.
यहाँ तक तो वो मर चुकी है ना टीना.
Yeah, correct. So, my Aman
हाँ.
would be played by. Okay, no. First, I want to say why. Okay. Basically, it has to be a guy who is.
Way hotter than Rahul.
Oh shit, वो तो नहीं है.
एक सेकंड.
राजकुमार राव से ज्यादा hot
नवाजुद्दीन
है.
को रखा है क्या आपने?
Dude, no. It's just a very
भाई?
nice, dependable character. Okay.
Okay.
Like ace actor.
Hmm.
Who is like seems like a simple guy who would be the kind of guy who understands another man's plight.
Vikrant Massey.
Vikrant Massey!
डरा दिया.
Yes! Vikrant
7
Massey is
करोड़ वाला
here!
pitch कर दी.
Vikrant Massa and Massey. Both.
Bro, this is a nice indie film. Rajkumar
I love
Rao,
it.
Vikrant Massey,
Yes.
but Abhishek Bachchan as principal.
Yeah, that's
And Kareena Kapoor as
This
Miss
is
Pragan.
not कुछ होता है. इसमें कुछ तो होता है.
yes. कुछ तो बना दिया हमने भाई तुम देखो अब तुम्हारे ऊपर में देखना है कि नहीं.
इसकी movie is the love story between Mrs. Braganza and
Principal, yeah.
We would rather watch a spin-off at this point.
Yeah, why not? What refugee? Yes,
आपकी मूवी सोनी लिव पे रिलीज होगी.
Great man. None of these sound like bad things. direct to Sony.
करण जोहर तो नहीं डायरेक्ट करने वाला
The way you are building up Vikrant
I
Massey,
swear, bro.
he has to understand other people.
आपकी मूवी हंसल मेहता करेगा आपकी मूवी.
yeah, correct. The only other option I thought of which could
Yeah.
work here is Kartik Aaryan.
Oh.
But I don't want to give Kartik Aaryan anything.
No.
The only reason is Kartik Aaryan loses the woman in the end. So I want to see him be sad. But whatever, you know. Actually, Kartik Aaryan should play Tina's role. So he dies.
Ouch.
Oh, let's go with you guys. Let's change it up. Change up the order. Same.
So my Salman Khan character मेरे माइंड में था कि हार्ट थ्रॉब होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सलमान खान हार्ट थ्रॉब था उस टाइम पे.
Ricky Ranveer Singh को है.
अरे नहीं रे, हम लोग नहीं करते ना हम लोग रणवीर. आई स्टैंड बाय इट. सो माय सलमान खान अमन was Aditya Roy Kapoor.
मेरा भी.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Oh, I have it written down. I forgot. I wrote a lot of options.
Yeah, I agree.
Aditya Roy
Yes,
Kapoor. I
yes.
think
Okay, fair enough.
Mr. Steal Your Girl.
So your choice is like Ayushmann Khurrana and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Why the fuck would you go to Ayushmann Khurrana for anything?
But again, why would the
But
fuck
bro,
would she go
exactly.
to Shah Rukh
That
also
was
then?
that's exactly the question you would ask while watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also.
Exactly.
And that's
Because
why you
Salman was
ask-
clearly the more
Yeah.
charming, nice guy.
Nice guy.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So,
हो गया बस. Thanks for proving my point.
No, I
That's
still
the
think
episode,
between
guys.
Shah Rukh and Salman, there's still some similarities.
oh,
But
like,
Shah Rukh is more charming between Salman, and Salman is the better looking. But fine, whatever, man. Your movie. My
hit movie, by
And
the
do
way.
your
you have
funeral.
do you have any other options with
I have
Aditya Roy?
other options.
आदित्य रॉय कपूर
Can
के
I
बाद
go?
और कौन सा
Yeah,
ऑप्शन है?
Yeah.
So again, I agree with him कि एंड में तो लड़की शाहरुख के पास ही जानी, राहुल के पास ही जानी है.
Yeah.
तो
तुम्हारा
वो-
राहुल कौन था?
मेरा
अविनाश
राहुल
तिवारी.
अविनाश तिवारी था. तो मैं उस लीग में सोच रही थी कि
मतलब
कंपटीशन
Amazon Prime.
नहीं, मूवी
Okay.
तो थिएटर भी में
अभी तक थिएटर रिलीज सिर्फ मेरा ही है बाय द वे.
प्लीज
आपका राहुल
Bro,
कौन था?
करीना अभिषेक तेरे में है क्या?
Ishan Khattar, Sania
क्या कर
Malhotra, and
हाँ, आपको Netflix
Janhvi
मिल
Kapoor.
जाएगा.
मेरे पास
हाँ,
वामिका गब्बी है,
आपको
राजकुमार
Netflix
राव
मिल जाएगा.
तेरे
है.
पास ही वामिका कभी उसके पास है.
मेरे पास है भाई, मेरे पास भी
अरे?
है.
आपके पास अभी तो
अभिषेक
सानिया
बच्चन
मल्होत्रा
है.
थी.
मेरा
हाँ,
अमन अली फजल था एक्चुअली.
Oh, who's your
उसका
Rahul?
हाँ.
Yeah,
तो आई थिंक
Wow. Also, your Anjali was his Tina. Wow.
बट आई एम हिज अंजलि.
But is he your Rahul?
Yes.
he is my Rahul.
ये
My-
my movie only goes on in my bedroom. Not even theater anymore.
Can I say my Aman?
Yes.
My Aman is Siddhant Chaturvedi.
अबे यार
पसंद नहीं है मुझे वो
ये तो
लड़का।
जो खराब कर दिया ना आपने पूरा एपिसोड एंड में
ये
So yeah,
last-
it's between.
Can we change the order of which we will?
आप अपना ऑप्शन वापस ले लो
It's
मैं
Ishan
बताऊंगा
Khattar
end
and Siddhant
This
Chaturvedi
is
in my
like
movie.
Oh, so
में।
it's phone
फोन
booth.
बूथ
yeah.
Oh yeah.
बट ऐसा लग रहा है अच्छा खाना खा के डेजर्ट खराब खा लिया ऐसा लग रहा है।
ठीक है फटाफट से रिकैप कर लेते हैं
Compilation of all my options.
Stick
Yes.
to one choice, please.
हाँ,
Don't
please.
give your options.
ऑप्शंस
like,
मत
oh,
देना एक
सान्या
जवाब
मल्होत्रा भी है, ये
हम
भी
फिर
है.
परम्यूटेशन में एनविजन करना पड़ता है वो नहीं
Okay, ठीक है.
डायरेक्ट
Rajkumar Rao as Shahrukh Khan.
Rahul.
ओके
Radhika Mandan as Kajol Anjali. Vamika Gabi as Rani Mukherjee Tina. Salman Khan is played by Vikrant Masi. Next is Farida Jalal is played by none other than Aisha Raza Mishra or Ratna Badaksha. Anupam Kher is Abhishek Bachchan. Perfect casting.
बोलने में अजीब लग रहा है.
It's so good. Miss Braganza is Kareena Kapoor, Pooh, and Johnny Lever Sahab is either Gopal Dutt or Abhishek Banerjee, but Gopal Dutt. I'll go with Abbas' choice here, Gopal Dutt. All right, and we had to also choose a director, but we finish this and then
Sure.
we'll go with that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cool.
Go ahead.
ठीक है मैं बता देती हूँ मेरा कास्ट एक ही चूज करूंगी शाहरुख एज अविनाश तिवारी
अविनाश तिवारी
Yeah,
एज
Shahrukh.
शाहरुख वामिका गब्बी एज काजोल एंड मृणाल ठाकुर एज रानी इफ यू थिंक ऑफ इट इट्स अ नाइस
Yeah, you don't need to convince us.
it's fine
and Salman I would select Ali Fazal then Anupam Kher and Miss Braganza would be Anil Kapoor and Malaika Arora I'll go with this Farida Jalal Neena Gupta Johnny Lever Rajesh Hirji yeah
All right.
Okay, my cast is Ishan Khattar as Rahul, Janhvi Kapoor as Tina, Sanya Malhotra as Anjali, Siddhant Chaturvedi as Aman, Rani Mukherjee as Miss Braganza, Sanjay Kapoor as Principal, Supriya Pathak as Farida Jalal, and Danish Seth as Johnny Lever.
All right.
nice not bad
mid I would say
Super duper hit, 500
Sure,
crore.
Because
day
mine
one.
is of course.
so
the winner.
after Amazon Prime Sony Live and Netflix let's
let's
finally
Oh, now we
get
have
to-
player.
let's
We have Ullu originals.
this is pre-release on YouTube
let's get to PVR Inox
Tanmay's YouTube channel.
Tanmay react.
a TikTok
shelved
Not happening. Oh, is Ranveer Singh in this?
okay my Rahul is Ayushman Khurrana
Yay.
Anjali is Sharvari, Tina is Kriti Sanon, Aman is Aditya Roy Kapoor, Almera is Varun Sharma or Chucha, Kid Anjali, which was originally played by Sana Saeed, is Aradhya Bachchan, Farida Jalal is Kiran Kher, Himani Shivpuri is Mrinal Kulkarni, Anupam Kher is Piyush Mishra, Archana Puran Singh is Basha Basu, and the Sardar Kid is, which was originally played by Parzan Dastoor, is Abram Khan.
Wow. So let us know,
Nice.
guys, what you think of our options and which one you find.
Which
The
one would
best.
you invest in? Which film would you invest
Bro,
in?
100% mine, bro. There is no bloody.
See,
No,
guys
no.
comment and tell
Let's
us.
see. You have to also, you should want to go out and watch this
This
movie.
movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell you guys tell.
Yeah. So, of course, Rajkumar
ये
Rao.
sale है भाई
and-
कॉकी बन रहा है
Bro, बनने
तुम्हारी
की
फिल्म में हाईएस्ट पेड एक्टर वुड बी अब्राम खान
Still better than the lead of all the three options that you've given.
I mean, no, not really, dude. Rajkumar Rao is right up there, man.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
Like, Rajkumar Rao is best option, man.
चलो
I
ठीक है
will
guys,
stand by
please
it.
please tell us कि आपको क्या लगता है कि हम में से किसने बेस्ट कास्टिंग करी है. Also, do you like the 4 people format or not? Doesn't really matter.
What if they don't
हम
like
लोग
it?
को
what if
आ
they
रहा
don't
होगा तो
like it?
हमारे please subscribe to the channel. Please do click this like button. ऐसा thumb होगा नीचे, ऊपर बेल आइकन होता है वो भी दबा दो और कमेंट्स करो प्लीज. एंड एक चीज़ जो हमने कमेंट्स पढ़ के भी रियलाइज़ करी एंड यूट्यूब ट्रेंड्स तो हम देख ही रहे हैं कि सब्सक्राइबर अगर फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत 2-3 बढ़ जाएं तो बढ़ जाएं, व्यूज़ 8 से 10,000 के बीच में ही है. सो प्लीज़ शेयर द कंटेंट दैट यू वॉचिंग, दैट यू कंज्यूमिंग विद एनीबडी दैट यू फील जिसका बॉलीवुड में इंटरेस्ट है वगैरह वगैरह. प्लीज़ डू शेयर द वीडियो एंड या फॉलो दिस
Follow us
Yeah,
everywhere,
follow
yes.
us, and we'll see you next week.
Bye bye. See you.
बाय 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 बाय.